Hi, and welcome to my channel once again. Today's math tutorial is the solution to the problem that says that if the red area is 400 minus 100 pi, find the perimeter of the square. One thing you will notice is that this shape is made up of a square with 4 quadrants embedded in it. So definitely the red area should be the area of the square minus the area of the 4 quadrants. So what we try to do first is to let the radius of each quadrant be r, and if the radius of each quadrant is r units, then the length of the side of the square will be r plus r, which is 2r. This then means that we can find the area of the square and that of the 4 quadrants in terms of r. Area of the square is 2r squared, the square of the length of the side, which is 4r squared, with a quadrant being a quarter of a circle. So the area of each quadrant is 1 over 4 of pi r squared, the area of a circle. And the red area is the area of the square minus area of the 4 quadrants. This simply means that the red area will be 4r squared, the area of the square, the area of the square minus 4 times the area of each quadrant, 1 over 4 of pi r squared. This simplifies to 4r squared minus pi r squared, as the 4 quadrants essentially means a circle, with the red area given as 400 minus 100 pi. Then we have that to be equal to, on the right hand side, factoring r squared, we have 4 minus pi. Then on the left, we can factor 100 to give us 4 minus pi also in parentheses. We can then divide both sides by 4 minus pi. So 4 minus pi cancel out on both sides, meaning that we have the square of the radius of each quadrant to be 100, and taking the square root means that the radius is 10 units. If the radius of the quadrant is 10 units, then the side of the square is 2r, and that's going to be 2 times 10 units, which is 20 units. Therefore, the perimeter of the square which is 4 times the side of the square will be 4 times 20, and the perimeter of the square is 80 units. I believe you enjoyed today's math tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section. You can like, share this video, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscribe button now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get updated from time to time from my channel. Till I see you again in my next video, say keep enjoying your day. Bye.